Sometimes it's very hard to choose between RRSP and TFSA. Both account has its own unique benefits. When federal government introduced TFSA, they created a chart to educate Canadians on TFSA and RRSP tax benefit. This table shows that TFSA contributions are made with after-tax dollars, while withdrawals are tax-free, and an RRSP contribution is made with pre-tax dollars, while withdrawals are taxable. This chart also demonstrates that the marginal tax rate at the time of RRSP contribution and withdrawal is the same, which makes TFSA and RRSP equally beneficial. Even a 12-year-old can understand that if the marginal tax rate is lower at the time of withdrawal than at the time of contribution, then RRSP wins. And if the marginal tax rate is higher at the time of withdrawal than at the time of contribution, then TFSA wins. So basically, you need to base your decision based on the marginal tax rate at the time of potential withdrawal. Now let's be realistic here. Most of us make RRSP contribution with after-tax dollars, and we spend that tax refund on cool gadgets or even a nice vacation. So if you're planning to spend your tax refund, TFSA will win over RRSP. Take a look at the chart here. Since you're not reinvesting your tax refund of $400 to your RRSP, TFSA is the clear winner here. Some of us have the temptation to make withdrawals from TFSA for a nice vacation because it's not taxable. So if that's the case, go for RRSP because frequent withdrawals from your TFSA can affect the expected returns. In conclusion, if you're not planning to reinvest your tax refund from RRSP contributions, go with TFSA. And if you're planning to make frequent withdrawals from TFSA, go with RRSP. When deciding between TFSA and RRSP, there are a lot of other factors to determine, like your other income sources when you retire, or your partner's income, or even the child tax benefit you could save with your RRSP contribution. If you have a hard time choosing between RRSP and TFSA, I highly recommend you to consult a financial planner.